News now from Assam, where Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be visiting the poll-bound state for her first ever assembly poll campaign there. During her two-day visit, starting today, she'll be travelling to several districts in the north bank of the Brahmaputra. But she will start first with a visit to the famed Kamakhya temple. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Ratnadeep for more. And Ratnadeep, tell us more about the program.
That's right, Gargi. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the General Secretary of the Congress, is going to start her two-day campaign for the assembly elections here. This is for the first time that Mrs. Vadra is campaigning in Assam, and she would start her campaigns from Lakhimpur in Upper Assam, and we are at the Lilabari airport, rather outside the airport. This is the road that leads to the airport, and you can see behind me the Congress flags have been put up. Some of the Congress workers putting up the flags, and from here a two-day hectic schedule for Mrs. Vadra. In fact, she is going to meet the party workers in several places in Lakhimpur district, in Bishwanath, and in Sonitpur district. She's also going to meet the tea garden workers, the local tribal people, the women in the area. So a lot of optics as well as a lot of meetings lined up for today. A road show has been lined up for today, and then tomorrow there is a massive public rally of Mrs. Vadra. But what is important is that she is starting her first ever campaign for assembly elections from the north bank of the Brahmaputra. Now this area, particularly the district of Dhemaji, Lakhimpur and Sonitpur, in this area in the 2016 assembly elections, the Congress could not win a single seat, and this area has turned into a BJP and AJP, Assam Gana Parishad, which is a BJP ally stronghold. So Priyanka Gandhi not only reaching Assam and starting her campaign, but perhaps starting it from the BJP stronghold. So sending across a message that this time around, when Congress has formed a grand alliance, and even once BJP ally BPF has only yesterday joined the grand alliance, the party high command trying to send across a message to the BJP, as well as trying to perhaps boost its workers ahead of the elections, where Priyanka Gandhi is going to campaign in the BJP AJP stronghold for today and tomorrow. So all eyes on that. But the weather is not good here. It has been raining since morning, so this might be a real hurdle at this moment for the Congress to carry on with this hectic schedule. But the party says they're all ready, they're all geared up to receive Priyanka Gandhi.